Now that this first wall is up and it looks beautiful, we get to move on and continue with the framing.
Time for the harder ones.
Yep, first up we are going to frame the rest of the bathroom.
I think I overheated it.
Oops.
Oh, you know what? I made it through. Hot cake, hot cake.
We're doing this wall a little bit different than the first wall. The first one we built completely on the ground and then just lifted it up. This one, because of these holes, we're going to build it kind of in place, sort of. And then lift and then lower it into place.
I still want to be able to nail from underneath because I think it's just structurally more sound. So that's why we're doing it this way.
While he gets things ready in there, I'll start cutting the boards. So is this method gonna work, you think?
It's gonna work. It's not ideal, but it's working. Yeah, we gotta do the pink stuff and then set her down and figure out where the post goes.
I'm looking forward to the first post because this is still an unknown to me. So much is an unknown, but...
It's in my eyes, it's no different from any of the studs. It's just a triple threat stud. Like me.
A triple threat?
No, I'm a triple stud. I'm no threat, trust me.
We just cut the wood that's gonna form our very first support post.
These are good and strong.
They're biggins.
2x8s. Strong like wood.
It's the classic M pattern.
Yeah.
For Michelle.
That's totally why I do it that way.
I know. First side's done, side number 2, and then we can put her up.
Order up.
Boy, this laser sure does come in handy. Now that that one is nice and straight, we know where we need to lock it in on the sole plate. First support post is in.
It's not so scary, is it?
Not so bad. Tell me it's perfect.
Yeah. Actually, she looks pretty darn good.
All right. We're ending the day on a high note.
Yeah.
And someone high up on the ladder. Oh, does that mean we're done?
Well, now that you've exposed our OSHA incompliance.
Safety first.
Third.
More tomorrow. You can stop now. It's another day of building. We're ready to build wall number 3 today?
Yeah.
You started without me.
I did.
You've also done some other stuff.
Yeah, I did a little bit of blocking and a header board and fun mistakes.
All right, let's finish the last of the bathroom walls today.
Okay.
More cutting for me.
Yeah, you're pretty good at it.
Do you feel obligated to say that?
Well, you are my wife, and I know what's good for me.
You're not wrong.
But you're pretty good at it. Yeah. Like I was saying.
You look like you're in jail.
Been there, done that.
Nobody knows the trouble I see. Nobody knows my sorrow.
We did this wall the exact same way that you did the other one. We lifted it up and you nailed upside down in order to get the nails from the bottom up.
Yep.
But this is the last one we're gonna have to do that because that's the last one that we have
A pipe.
a pipe sticking through. So the rest of them we're gonna build on the floor.
Which will be much easier.
Yeah, but this one's ready so we can set her down and get the top plate on.
Yep.
That's a big, big post. my. It should go just up against the dome shell, right?
Yes.
And that will determine where we lock it in at the base.
It will also determine how long our top plate is.
The post is up.
There she stands.
This room is square.
Yeah.
The top plate's been cut, so now you are going to...
Mark my lines.
Up there she goes.
Oh, I wish it was that easy. No, no, here we go. Okay.
See, it's perfect.
Oh, yeah. Another wall done.
Hooray. One wall a day. That means we've got a lot more days.
I'll bet you we could do 2 in here.
We'll see. Maybe tomorrow. Today, we're gonna build a bedroom.
Hopefully properly.
What was that?
Yay!
That's what I thought you said. This bedroom's gonna have character.
We don't do anything normal.
Definitely. It's a trippy bedroom. The boards are cut expertly, I might say.
Did you do the 2x6s?
No, was I supposed to?
I guess the boards aren't all cut then. Back to work. This isn't a break.
Okay, now the boards are cut.
We have to cut the header boards and the jacks, and we have to get them all in so that we can actually...
So we're just gonna frame the door.
Yeah.
Now all the boards are cut, so it's finally time to put this together. What do you mean, no?
It's lunchtime.
Ow. Aw. Nom nom. Now can we build this wall?
Yes.
Finally. The wall is squared. We got the diag on there for bracing, and it's time to lift her up.
We gotta do the pink stuff first.
After we do the pink stuff, of course.
And sweep. Okay.
The first bedroom wall is now up. Now that this wall is up, that means that tomorrow we can head over and put wall number 2.
This one's gonna be heavy.
More building tomorrow. Another day, another wall.
Should be easy. I think we can do this. Even though we're late, I think we can still do this. I saw those googly eyes you just gave me. Like, what? You doubt we're gonna be able to do this? Quit with the googly eyes. We can do this.
Okay. All the boards are cut and placed, so next up, you just need to put it all together.
Starting with the post.
This is gonna be a big, heavy wall.
Yeah. I think Mighty Mouse is unavailable at this moment.
We'll get you some spinach.
That's Popeye.
Yeah, close enough. This enormous wall is now built. Got your muscles ready?
No.
Gonna give it a try?
If I can find the center. That's about the center.
All right.
With
I will lend my half a person.
a tiny bit of help. Yeah, maybe.
Let's see if we can get that standing up.
Yeah.
Look what we did. We got the wall up because we were trying to figure out how to cut that top piece so that it matches our wall, which is obviously got a different angle from the bottom.
This is going to be tricky.
Careful.
Thanks. That's very helpful. Man, glitter.
We came really close to getting this wall up today. It's quitting time.
Dinner time.
Today is post day.
Wait, but it hasn't gone up yet, so that means it's pre-post day.
Okay.
Wait,
And then once it goes up, it will be post day?
yes, but it can't be pre-post day because then that would mean it's post day because the two would cancel each other out. What's today?
My head hurts. Boy, those posts were so spot on that we were able to slide that right in. Your cutter is skilled.
These are extremely inaccurate. They look good, and then you actually put a laser up and you go, ooh. And if that's what normal builders are doing, I guess it's probably fine because I don't see a whole lot of houses coming down, but.
We're using lasers. Perfection.
We're that good.
They don't believe you.
I thought with the magic of YouTube editing, we made ourselves look very good.
No, we really don't do that either.
Nails!
Nails.
Thanks!
We are moving on to top plates.
One was 7.5, and I'm totally OSHA compliant.
Safety first.
Third.
First one's up. Now I think we have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or so to go today.
Yeah, not far now.
Yeah, we can get that.
Yeah. Okay.
All done?
All done.
Those top plates look good. Mm-hmm. It's not as fun as seeing walls go up though.
No.
So tomorrow, let's get back to that. Building walls tomorrow. I wasn't ready. Now I'm ready. If you enjoy our videos, we'd really appreciate it if you would take a second and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. And until next time, like our farm sign says, just keep growing.